I'm on the wave, I'm on the wave, yeah, I'm on the wave. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. It's cooking with Tomi day. Hey, really is baking with Tomi day. If you guys are on my Snapchat, a lot of people have been asking me, Tomi, when are you gonna show us how to cook, blah 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 blah. So here I am gonna show you how to make box brownies even better. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do this vlog style just because I don't really like the whole formal looking thing. Plus I ain't got all the cameras for that. So I am kind of tired. I woke up, I've been sleeping all day, literally all day. I'm gonna make 2 batches of brownies. Why I'm doing this, I don't know, but I'm making 2. Okay, so the brownie mix we're gonna be using is the cookie brownie bars mix, and this is already good. It's on its own. I've tried it twice. It's amazing, but we're gonna make it even better, and I'm gonna show you guys how. I do have 2 pans for the 2. See, you guys, just ignore all this. This is just, that's just how it be. Okay, like, let's be honest, your house isn't neat 24/7. But I have my 2 baking pans. I have an 8x8 and a 9x9. I would have preferred the 8x8, but I couldn't find another one, so it's okay. This is the one we're gonna be kind of jazzing up, and then this is the one we're gonna be jazzing up both, but the one in here is gonna be like a little bit not as jazzy as this one. Today we are going to be making marshmallow brownie cookies, and what did I say? Marshmallow, yeah, marshmallow brownie, marshmallow cookie brownies, yeah. Marshmallow chocolate chip brownies. There we go. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow the instructions step by step, but I'm gonna show you how to make it a little bit different. So this is gonna be for my brownie mix, and this is going to be for my cookie mix. So the first thing that both of them call for is butter. So we're gonna use melted butter. Just get any type of butter. So I'm just gonna melt the butter and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna mix the cookie mix first, and the cookie mix asks for butter and 1 tablespoon of water, and then the cookie mix. So I can't find my tablespoon, so I have a 1/2 tablespoon. I'm just gonna put some water, and then I'm gonna put the cookie mix. And for this, I'm just gonna mix it with the spatula. And now this is the real deal. The brownie batter calls for 2 tablespoons of water. Instead of water, I'm gonna be putting almond milk. You can use cow milk, however, I'm allergic to all cow byproducts except for meat. So anything that comes from dairy, like any dairy products, I'm allergic to. I just can't eat dairy. So that's why I'm using almond milk. The brownie also calls for 1 egg, but I'm going to be adding 2. And the reason I'm adding 2 is because it makes it a whole lot richer and fluffier. Now this is where the real fun comes in. So you see this little red cap over here? This is some vanilla extract. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of some vanilla extract in here. This is gonna give it a lot of extra flavor. Definitely gonna make it a lot richer. I actually put 1 teaspoon, my bad. I am gonna go ahead and pour the brownie mix and mix that in. So just to create like a mess-free environment, I'm going to line my pan with some parchment paper. So then this part, I just drop cookie dough. You're supposed to drop them in tablespoonfuls. I just do it with my hand. This is what it looks like right now. Nothing special. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven and bake it according to package instructions, which is 45 minutes, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other batch, and I'll come back when they're done. Last but not least, this is the final step. I did the first batch of brownies and they're over here. This is what they look like. The parchment paper was honestly a great idea. I should have done this for the other one as well, but it's okay. So this is the 9x9 pan. I'm just gonna take it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna sprinkle marshmallows over it. And that's not enough, so I'm going to get a little more. I'm gonna set the oven to broil. I'm gonna put it on high. I'm gonna wait for it to heat up a little bit. I'm gonna put these in the oven for a minute. And these are hopefully going to brown pretty quickly. Boom! Brownies. So I'm gonna let these cool and I'm gonna come back. I'm actually gonna head out right now. So I'm gonna let this cool. We're gonna have a moment of truth because I'm not actually eating these brownies for myself and I'm not making them for myself. I'm actually gonna deliver them to my friends who asked me to make them. So I just got back from being out and I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. But one tip for you guys, so you don't get crummy brownies, use a plastic knife to cut instead of like the regular knife that you use to cut. Wow, my skin looks so good today. So you guys, now is the moment of truth. These literally taste homemade. Like, I sound like people in like your food shows, but I feel amazing. Amazing. See, I wasn't gonna keep some for myself, but now I am. Oh, my bad. I'll edit that out. Hi, guys. Meet my friends. Juliet, Covenant, Cam. He's taken. And then over there, we got Sam. Wait, is it showing them?
No, it's not showing my head.
Oh. Over there, we got Sam.
Say hi, Nadia. Yeah, and he's taken too.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh, yeah, he taken too.
You better know. You better know. Yes. Girl, let them know. Let the people know. Bitches know.
So I made brownies, right? And I'm trying to wait for them to try them out, but we'll see.
She's trying to kill us, Loki.
With what? Wow.
Say hi, Lala.
No way, I'm not feeding you anymore. Your mom said that.
What y'all think about them brownies?
They're good.
Are they better than the last ones?
We never made the cookie friend.
They're both different. Oh, do these have cookie in it or something?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of cookie is it?
Chocolate chip.
They're really good.
Hey, y'all heard that? Chef Tommy and his bitch. Okay.
Can I bite it and take a bite? I don't really like chocolate.
Not all of them have chocolate chip.
And marshmallow is really good. Well, y'all, Chef Tommy in the house. I'm gonna come around. Is this a different kind?
Yeah, it's the same one, but without the marshmallow on top.
It's really good.
Thank you. Kind of modify the recipe, you know what I'm saying?
They're all good.
So y'all like them? They good?
I like the mushroom on top. Which one is your favorite? I love the marshmallow. I like the marshmallow one on top.
I'm on the whip. I'm on the